Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you are in the world. This is Teacher Evelyn from Oxford saying Mabuhay, and today our lesson is about ordinal and cardinal numbers. Let's talk about the cardinal first. Well, cardinal is actually the number that you use when somebody asks you the question, how many? How many books are on the table? You say 3 or 4 or 5 and so on and so forth. So cardinal means you have to know that this is the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and so on and so forth. Okay, so that's your cardinal. Again, it answers the question, how many? What about the ordinal? When do we use ordinal? Well, ordinal tells about the position of something in an order. We use it to identify the floor of a building. So we say, for example, he's living on the 5th floor. Okay? Or let's say, for example, you are 5 in the family. Okay? Are you the first in your family? Are you the second in your family? So when you're trying to identify the position, the placement of something or asset, you are using your ordinal number. So we say first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. Now notice that when we say first, if you want to put this in number, you have to just get the last 2 letters. You put your cardinal 1 and then you put the ST. Okay, that's your first. What about second? Exactly the same thing. You have your number 2 and then you get the last 2 letter ND. How about the third? Same thing. Get the number 3. Okay, number 3, and then you put the last 2 letters RD. So you have third floor. The same with fourth. You have number 4 and then the last 2 letters TH. So you have your 4th floor or 4th sun. Okay, so in a competition we use this placement too. So who won the first prize, the second prize, the third prize, and so on and so forth. So they are different depending on their usage. Again, so we say, oh, which floor does he live? What's your place in your family? Are you the third, the second, the fourth? We don't know, but we're using the ordinal numbers. So they are also very important when we talk about history. We say the 19th century, the 18th century. So you're using your ordinal to talk about centuries or years. 10th year, 4th year, 5th year when you're studying, the same thing. 1st year college, 3rd year college, 4th year college, 2nd year college. You are also using it to show us the level or the placement of your position. So we use it to show position or the place of something in a sequence or in an order. So that's your ordinal number. All right, let's see if you can answer these questions. You can pause the video if you want to, if you need to, if you have to. It's all right. I hope you learned something new today. Again, they are important for you to learn the difference between ordinal and cardinal numbers. I hope you learned something new today. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are in the world. This is Teacher Evelyn saying, Mabuhay from Oxford, and ciao!